Greetings everyone, Dominic for another How I Solved It with Client. And this one I want to answer a question from everyone, which is how do project resource know what to work on next? So for this, I'm going to go through different tools from Client that can help a resource. First, the homepage, leveraging some dashboard components. Second, the Kanban board that can be used globally or project specific. And same for the workspace that can also be leveraged globally for all tasks that you might have in the system. And then finally, using some neat trick on the My Timesheet that can also serve as a list of tasks to tackle. So here we go. Starting your day on the homepage using the consultant execution dashboard as a reference point can be helpful to see what you've been doing and what you should be doing and working on, showing my active tasks and active projects. The global Kanban is also a very good place to live in as a consultant so that you can see all tasks that are assigned to you using filters and presets so that you can easily switch in between contexts. The easy access to the right side panel will provide information on the scope and what is expected, maybe using the descriptions, and so that you can also document what you've been doing in the proposed solution field using hyperlinks and other rich text information. The checklist is also a very good area where you can list any things that need to be completed and use it also to track completion of items. Chatter is obviously a nice place to interact with your team, letting them know that you're done with a task or asking for any questions. The time tab is also a good way to track your time directly on your task, whether you're using the timer or simply entering your time and comments so that it saves on your timesheet. If you prefer list over cards, you also have access to the workspace that will get you the list of tasks that you're assigned to with capabilities like the Kanban with filters and lists and presets so that you can have an easy switch between contexts. It also provides you with a quick access to the right side panel like we just seen in the Kanban, providing access to details, chatter, checklist, and time. And finally, the My Timesheet, where the TAS component can be exposed, showing you any tasks that you're currently assigned to this week. And using the copy from schedule, you can bring them over on your timesheets to just enter your time in the comments to save and submit. So we've seen different ways that Client can help your project resource know what to focus on next. A combination of the homepage using the consultant execution dashboard, the global Kanban, the workspace, and the My Timesheet with its task assignment schedule component will help your project resource tackle the next task and communicate within the peers to make sure that you document your projects correctly. So if you have any questions or comment, let us know. It'll be a pleasure to help you further. Reach out at support@client.com for us to continue the discussion. Thanks. Have a great day.